Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to create contour lines using Digital Elevation Model Datasets, or DEM, and we're going to be using QGIS for this. The tool in QGIS is obviously free, whereas the Esri products, you need an advanced license to do that. So to get our digital elevation model data, I'm using webgis.com. I'll include a link down in the description below. There's some other great resources. I'm just using that for the example for today. So under digital terrain, I'm going to select 7.5 minute DEM. Now I'm able to select any state I like in the US. I'm going to click on Colorado, and then we'll click on to any county you like. And here's our 7.5 minute DEM data set. We have several others we could choose from as well. I'm just going to select Boulder, and that DEM is going to download as a zip file. Now, if we go to our downloads, we could just extract that. And I'll extract that. Now let's go to our QGIS project. If we go up to layers and we add a layer, we're going to add a raster layer, or our DEM. So let's go ahead and grab it here, and we'll open that data set and we'll add it, close out of this window. Now here's our DEM. So what we want to do is go up to raster, extraction, contours. Now this is our only input layer, so it's selected, one band. We're going to use most of the default settings here. Now the intervals between the contours, so it defaults to 10, and as you see, there's a minimum of 0, max of 10. So it's, and this is in meters, so if I select 10, it's going to be every 10 meter interval. 5 will be 5 meter interval, etc. I'm just going to leave it at 10. Leave the defaults here and run. Now this is going to create a temporary file, which is indicated here by the little icon. I could close this out, and here are my contour lines. Now if I select onto one of these contours, I can see the elevation here, 1710, 1710 meters. This one will be 1700 meters. So that's our 10 meter interval. And we can always add a base map to that by going up to our quick map services, and we'll just do our satellite here, turn off our DEM. You can kind of see where the contour lines are in relation to the ground. And of course, if we wanted to save this off, what we just simply do is right click, and we would go to export, save feature as, and you could save as a shapefile, whatever file type you like, and destination, and then just click OK. So hope that helps. And as always, if you guys find value into that, appreciate if you like and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, as always, leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.